Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix your Steam application load error. So I will be showing you two methods so you can try both and see if it works or not. So the first one would be to run Steam as an admin. So for that what you'll have to do is you'll have to go to your desktop if you have your shortcut there. So you'll see your Steam icon there, right click on it. You can go to properties here or you can go to open file location. So it will take you to the Steam folder that the Steam app is located. From here, right click on Steam, go to properties, go to compatibility, and then you will see this option here, run this program as an administrator. Tick this, press apply, and then press OK. So after that, close your Steam and then restart it and then see if the issue persists or not. So the other thing that you can try is to copy the Steam application or exe file. Right click on it and copy, then open your Steam application and then open a game if this game is showing the error. So what you'll have to do is right click on it, go to properties. So after that, go to install files. Here you'll see this browse button, press on that, and this is the file location of the Steam game. So right click on it and paste the Steam exe file here and run the Steam app through here and see if the error is there or not. So these are the processes that you can try. Hopefully the error will be fixed. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.